Today, we're diving into our new trip scheduling feature. To get started, head over to our Trips module and click on Trip. Here, you'll see two options, one to log a completed trip and another to schedule a trip. Click on Schedule Trip to begin. First, select a vehicle. For example, let's pick the 2022 Silver Chevy. Once you do, you'll see the drivers linked to that vehicle. Let's assign this trip to Al Jones. Next, choose a scheduled departure date. Let's say tomorrow. You can also pick a time. For this instance, we'll go with 8 a.m. As for the departure location, let's set it to the airport to pick someone up and then return them to the hotel. You have the option to set up notifications for the driver. For example, let's schedule 2 alerts, one for a day before the trip and another 30 minutes prior. The driver will receive 2 notifications, one a day in advance and another half an hour before departure. If you have any trip instructions to share, add those too, and then save. The trip will then appear as a scheduled trip in your listings. You can view all the details here as well. If any adjustments are necessary, simply click the Edit button. I'm now sharing the driver's mobile app screen. You'll notice the driver has received a notification. When he taps on it, he can see all the trip details such as the scheduled departure time, departure location, the arrival location, etc. Whenever he's ready to begin the trip, he just clicks the Start Trip button to enter the details and go ahead and start the trip. That's it. The trip's set and the driver's in the loop. Head back to the Trips module anytime to queue up the next run.